Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is DJI MIC 2, and now I'm going to show you how to connect it to the iPhone. First, of course, we need to have an iPhone and we need to enable the video mode. Then we need to take out the receiver and take out one or both of transmitters. Cool. Right now, as you can see, it's catching the sound. And now you need to take Lightning adapter or USB Type-C adapter if you have iPhone 15 and the newer. So you can use a Type-C adapter. I will use Lightning adapter. Cool. And here on your receiver, you can find this plug to just protect the contact. But now we need to, in just simple way, pull and need, we can connect our Lightning. As you can see here, we can click confirm button, and now just connect it to your iPhone. As you can see, it here we can see that our device is connected to the device, to the tablet or smartphone. Click confirm and cool, right? And now when you will record the video, for example, now I will record the video. So right now, let's check. Now I will record the video. So that's it. It works. As you can see, it works, and it's great. So it's very easy to connect it to the iPhone, and you just need to connect, and video will be recorded with this simple device. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.